everybody and welcome back. So today I wanted to do my winter favorites as well as winter things that you need in winters, and according to me it's entirely my own opinion and things that I've been loving and also been using regularly this winter. So I'm gonna start off with and this is gonna be a video as well as a fashion, something that I've been wearing in terms of shoes, in terms of dress, in terms of purse. So yeah, it's first of this kind, so I hope you all like it. So I'm gonna start off with something that I use for my face, okay? And I'm gonna be really quick because there are a lot of things and I'm using a lot of things this winter. Okay, so for my face, I'm gonna start off with something that I talked about in my previous video also. So this is green tea scrub by Saint Ives. Sorry. Okay, so this green tea scrub is actually very gentle and not very harsh on the skin, so you can actually use it every other day. And in winters we tend to get very dry, so this is extremely really helpful, and green tea is very good for our skin, so to say, skin system, everything. So yeah, this is something that I've been loving, and as you can see it's almost over, so I'm gonna buy it again. Another thing that I've been loving and also talked in my previous video about it, this is a mask by Freeman, which is a facial clay mask with chocolate and strawberry. Okay, so clay masks are always my favorite because they clean and I don't know whether they actually clean or not, but after applying it, when I wash my face, I feel very clean, and and the skin is very soft because it is something that hydrates and it is made with natural botanical ingredients. So yeah, so I've been loving this. And it smells like chocolate, so that's an added. I love chocolates. Another thing that I always purchase in winter especially is this skin nourishing system by Shehnaz Hussain, and it is called Shah Life Plus. My mother has been using it for years, and in fact, me being in my late 20s, I want to start a regime for my skin which helps me in my skin aging as well. So this is something which is extremely good, and I've been using it for like 3-4 years now. So, and it leaves your skin so soft. You have to massage it, and if you've not seen, I will link my I will put the link of my previous video down below for you to easier access to it. And I've shown how I actually massage. It's very embarrassing, but yeah, that's how I do it, and it really helps. And okay, so another thing that I use for my face is a very old Pond's cold cream. I think I have used a lot of expensive stuff also for my skin, but nothing does what this can do. Okay, so I always come back to this for especially in like harsh winters, and this is something which helps me. There comes a time in winters when your skin starts to feel really bad, as if you have your skin has gone bad completely. So this is something that can bring your skin back to life. That sort of an effect it has. So you put it on in the night, and the next day you'll feel that your skin is feeling good. And yeah, so this is my little thing that I love. Okay, moving on to my hair. Despite from my regular shampoo and everything, in winters I tend to get a little dandruff. Otherwise I never have dandruff issues, but in winter especially, because maybe we are using hot water, warm water for showers. So, but this one shampoo has really helped. Like even single application of this helps me get rid of that itchiness and that dry scalp especially. Is this Bio Margosa anti-dandruff shampoo and conditioner by Biotique. Biotique is one company, and I've used a lot of products from this range, but it's always a hit and miss. I really like it or I do not like it. So this is something, it smells like neem, like Margosa, but it is natural. Again, 100% organic, and I love it. You know, I started shedding a lot of hair because of dandruff this, and I was almost, you know, I was sinking because I thought, oh my god, I'm losing all my hair. But then, you know, only single application of this helped me get rid of it. So yeah, this is what I use. Another thing that I use, you know, I actually use this range of L'Oreal Absolute Repair, which is this yellow tubs and shampoos for winters, because they're very hydrating, and I, you know, as you can see, I have long hair, so for me to take care of my roots is extremely important. And I use this Absolute Repair mask. So it smells great, and its leave-in conditioner is my favorite. That serum, it is thick, it is nice. I can even use it in summers, but winter especially I use this mask. It is extremely good, extremely good. And you know, you can do it like every other day, every 3 days, depending on the condition of your hair. And if you want to go, if you're going out and, you know, you're taking the shower in the morning and washing your hair, this is extremely good to make it feel more soft and easy to style and everything. Okay, the next thing is, especially in winters, I you know, we all do not wash our hair that often, so because it's so cold, and then, you know, you're always constantly using hot water, so you should not wash your hair with hot water that much. And putting on that, even the normal water on your head is like, oof, a nightmare. So I have been using this Fresh Dust dry shampoo by L'Oreal, and this says Force 1, and it is extremely good. It smells nice, and it is very nice. I'm gonna use it some right now. Yeah, so it does leave a little white residue, but it goes away over time. So, you know, when you're gymming, you're exercising, and you're not able to wash your hair that often that you can in summers, you know, maybe in summers I at least take a water bath, not put any shampoo, anything in my hair, but take a water bath. In winters you can't do that. So this has come really handy this season, and it is extremely good. I don't know, this is the first dry shampoo that I've used, but it does its job. So for me, it works well. Okay, moving on to my lips. Extremely important. Okay, and we need to have good lip balm. I've been using this lip balm, which is Nivea Matte Protection with SPF 15 for a very long time, and I am out of it already. So I want to try something else, and I've been loving Maybelline's Baby Lips also, as they have come with the renewed formula. Recently they've come with the neon thing also, so I'll try and grab that as soon as I can.